Can you imagine how modern restoration techniques can bring a centuries-old painting back to life? This is Portrait of Anne of Cleves by Hans Holbein the Younger. In 1539, King Henry VIII of England was looking for his fourth wife. He sent his court painter, Hans Holbein, to the Holy Roman Empire to paint portraits of Anne of Cleves and her sister, Amalia, as references for his choice of a new queen. Henry ultimately chose Anne, and the two were married in January 1540. Over the centuries, the painting became dark and yellowed, making many of its details and colors difficult to see. In 2021, the Louvre carried out a restoration using modern techniques. Afterward, the original colors became more vivid, the blue background brighter, and the details of Anne's red silk clothing and face much clearer. Even the small, subtle beauty mark near the corner of her mouth came back into view. So, how should you look at it? Focus on three things: her face, her headdress, and the band across her forehead. First, look at her face. Anne does not smile. Instead, she looks calmly and directly at us. For Henry VIII, who was far away in England and had never met Anne, the portrait was more than a record of her appearance. It helped him judge whether she possessed the presence and qualities expected of a future queen. Next, look at her headdress. You will notice a decoration depicting a betrothed couple facing each other, suggesting engagement and marriage. Finally, look at the band across her forehead. It bears the words "a bond fine," associated with the tradition of mottos used in marriage and women's clothing at the time. Together, these details point to the same story. This was not simply a portrait, but a portrait closely connected to an impending royal marriage. And perhaps the most interesting part is this: the Anne we see in the painting is a woman waiting to become queen, yet history tells us that her marriage to Henry VIII lasted only a few months. A portrait painted for a potential queen ultimately became a witness to a very brief royal marriage.